This video is brought to you by volunteeraudio.com, your #1 source for all things Harley-Davidson audio. From individual radios, speakers, and amps to complete plug-and-play amp and speaker systems, we've got you covered. And once you've ordered your package from Volunteer Audio, it includes lifetime tech support. And we have the very best step-by-step installation video so you can install it yourself and save money. All right, so we're going to put our fairing back on. Now on this CVO, we have the hidden antenna up here in the fairings. So we're going to make sure that we get it plugged back in. It is snapped in, and then we're going to plug in our headlight. We always start with that center bolt. Goes like this. That bolt is long enough, it will hold your fairing on, and we just normally twist just maybe 1 or 2 spins into those threads. There we go. Go ahead and slide our windshield in place. At that point I can put a little bit more on this one. And we'll line up all of our outside screws, being very careful that we don't get any of them started cross-threaded. They are going into brass. All right, so now back to our inner fairing bolts. Yeah, the long one is going to go into our top position. You want to make sure we don't put it in the bottom because we do not want to damage our paint on our outer fairing. All right, same thing on the other side. Longer bolt in the top position. Robbie's going to go ahead and start it. I always do this by hand. We do not use power tools on the bolts up here in the fairing. All right, now that all 4 of the inner fairing bolts are tight, we're going to move back up to our windshield. We're going to get it tight. We're going to make sure our windshield is all fell into position and we don't have any reason that it would crack the windshield. All right, so now we've fully got this bike put back together. And I'm going to tell you, it looks amazing. I want you to